Welcome to my shop, ladies and gentlemen. Please ignore the mess. I haven't had a chance to get in here and clean up after I did my latest bit of tearing things apart. But anyway, I've got a problem, and I need to get it fixed because I've got some orders that are pending. But this is my tabletop kiln. When it originally came, here where the power cord goes in was just a timer that went from, it said low to high, and I think it was like, oh, maybe 1 through 6 or something. So I made some modifications to it, put this cord in place, put a K-type thermocouple on down here. Right now the power cords are disconnected, so not a lot would happen anyway. Solid state MOSFET style relay and a PID controller. This is a Classic Industries model number 3303. If anybody has any information on this, manuals, anything like that, I would love to have a set because I know nothing about it. It looks like it was made in Culver City, California. There's a telephone number on it, but the telephone number doesn't go to this company no more. And then on this side of it is the door that opens. Counterbalance has a chain to hold it up. I've got a couple pieces of metal in there to hold it up. Insulation, and you can see where the K-type thermocouple goes into it. Get this crap out of here. And up on top is the heating elements. Well, my problem is the heating element has broken in there somewhere. So today we're going to take this out so you can see how to take it out. I've got a new heating element on the way. Replacing the heating element is just going to be like taking it out, so it should be no big deal. Yeah, so today we are going to be pulling this out to replace the heating element in it. So to start off, we have to come over here onto this side. There's 4 screws, one here, this one here, same on both sides with 2 screws, but we only need the one. One right here that holds the relay up, and then this one here. Hello, something falling over there. And screw on top, and then the back comes out. Then I have access to the whatever's in there that it's screwed to lengthen the wires. I gotta undo the wires, and then I can slide the heating element out the front. So let's go ahead and take these off, and let's see. I'm not making any jewelry here, so we'll put that there. There. Hope everybody's enjoying the spring. Hopefully it hasn't hit them too hard. Hopefully the bug going around, as well as the people causing problems in the big cities like New York, Minneapolis. I'm not getting any political over the situation. Yeah, the cop didn't do what he was supposed to, so he's gonna have to account for that, but that's not my job. So I can take that out so the K-type thermocouple goes through. The other screws hold the metal plate on, which holds this. So I've got to get a regular flat bladed screwdriver. Go ahead and take that out. This is a great little heater. I've used it for quite a bit. I was bummed when the heating element burnt out, but You know, that's what happens with age. This is probably, I would guess, comes from the maybe 80s, maybe the early 90s. Pottery was really big then. I mean, it still is a pretty big deal, but technology's changed. I mean, I'd love to have a Paragon kiln, but I couldn't afford it. This I could afford. I think I paid $5 for it, I believe, at the auction. We're going to put this back on just temporarily. I'm going to go to the other side. And there's 2 pins holding it in, so let me pull them out. A little metal base plate. And this. You have to straighten the wires out so they don't get hung up, so I can take the plastic sheathing off. And there we go. The wires just slide through the back. And then this is what we're left with. And the brake is right there. As you can see. You see that? That is what's causing my grief. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this through. I guess is what I gotta do with it. There we go. So you guys can see that here. Stretch it out a little bit there. Oh, looks like we had 3 brakes. So this little piece here, I don't think that, or it's just brittle. Brittle I could see. And this is just nichrome wire. It's heat resistant. So there we go. Got the nichrome wire out. So the nichrome wire is going to come packed a little tighter. It'll be packed like that. You can see that. Come on, focus. There we go. It'll come tightly packed like that. They want you to just pull it out and then feed it through the ceramic board. And we'll just feed it through. And let's see here. This is stamped made in the USA. I believe the whole thing is made in the USA. It's got some kale wool in here for insulation. Some of the newer ones have wire that run, the chrome wire that goes up the sides. Some are a little bit bigger, but this is a little small project. I wish it was a little bit bigger so I could put like a whole knife blank in it, but I can throw my knife blanks in my forge, heat them up. This would be nice because I can get them to a specific temperature and then quench them. So a little bit bigger would be nice. I could always make one down the road, but they're not too hard to make. But there is that. That is my little kiln that I use around the shop. So like I said, I've got the wire on order. Hopefully have that soon. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, I would like to have a few more subscribers than I have. I'm not really looking forward to the money side of it. I mean, it would be nice to have some money, but I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing it for fun. So if you've got any questions on this kiln itself, how I converted it, let me know. I'd be more than happy to go through and teach you how I converted it. But anyway, again, thank you for coming by the shop today, and hope you enjoy this quick little video. And have a good day. Goodbye.